For marketing with artificial intelligence, I think that there are probably two sides. Like I think the one side, which is more the client side, which is kind of like what you see in Minority Report. You guys see Minority Report with Tom Cruise. I think on like as a real short answer, it goes like that, like to where you're doing like retinal scans and facial recognition to, I mean, the dream of advertising, of effective, efficient advertising is to directly custom tailor the right message to the right person at the right time in order to generate a sale. And so I think when you can get that accurate and you get access to all the data that we have on an individual person, like I think if I could see the data that the internet as a whole has on me, I mean, it's probably like really, really, I mean, at some point you probably got even blood type and, you know, eye color, who all knows. I think that's the client side. I think on the back end side, it is, and it's a little, I think it's scary to think about it. Like it's a little disheartening because it kind of takes the human experience out of it. But I think that you got, like right now I'm working on something where it uses, you got a program using machine learning to help you write better ad copy and sales copy. And Google's got that right now where it can, it uses the results of your ads to rewrite your headlines and your copy for you on AdWords. And so some people look at that as like cheating. Some people look at it as like, well, that's taking like the human element out of it. But I think it all depends on what's your end goal. Like if your end goal is to be like the man at marketing, then yeah, maybe it takes, you know, a computer is always going to be faster than a human when it's programmed correctly. But if your goal is like, you know, I'm doing all of this to free up time for myself so that I can go to the beach or so I can have money to, you know, hang out with my wife or my kid, then I think people are cool with it. You know, it depends on what you're in it for, I think, with how you react to how AI work. All that aside, back to marketing, I think that's where it's going. There's a client side and a marketer side, and you're just getting smarter, more accurate, more custom tailored results for your ad.